Wondering what to have for lunch? Try this little focaccia bread style out. So with this one, we're going to cut it in half, sort of. And then so this is in 6 now. Really, really simple. All we do, squirt some olive oil. Don't be too shy, but also don't be too generous. Some rosemary. This doesn't have to be fresh rosemary, you can get ground rosemary. In fact, I think ground rosemary works a bit better. Coarse sea salt goes on. Not too much, otherwise it's too intense. And then we bake these in the oven for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put these in the oven and I'll be back when they're ready. Okay, and we're back. So now it's out of the oven. What we need to do, touch more oil. And they are ready to eat. These are absolutely beautiful. I like to cut mine into little pieces, break them up. Oh, these are so good, you gotta try it. Absolutely beautiful.